Hare Krishna, welcome to ISKCON Sagar Nagar, Visakhapatnam, the flagship ISKCON project in Andhra Pradesh. So it's a very massive project here, and we're hoping and praying to Sri Sri Radha Damodar, that will be the presiding deities here, that the temple will open within a year, sometime in 2027. And I'm not sure exactly the dimensions of the temple, but it's huge. And there will also be a very big Govinda's restaurant, which we were just touring a few moments ago. And there's a massive guest house here with many, many rooms. The rooms are very spacious, and the amenities are, plenty. So this is going to be very vibrant once it opens. So all of you, please come. You're all welcome to come here and to help finish the project. Already more than 40 crores of rupees have been spent on this project. So it's really a grand project. So help ISKCON Visakhapatnam Sagar Nagar devotees finish the project as soon as possible by opening your heart and making sure that it does open next year. Hare Krishna.